Hello, students. So, we will be starting with the next topic of business studies. Today's topic is classification of financial markets. So, there are two types of financial markets: capital market and money market. So, first of all, let us understand the money market in details. Money market is a market for short term funds meant for a period of up to 1 year. Transactions of money market includes lending and borrowing of cash for a short period of time. So in short, we can say that the money market is a section of the financial markets where financial instruments with short term maturities are bought and sold. Now let us check some of the features of money market. So the first one is money market is a market for short term. Next is there are no geographical locations for the trade of financial instruments. Some major institutions involved in money market are Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, LIC, GIC, etc. And the last point is common instruments of money market are call money, treasury bills, commercial bills, etc. Now we will be learning about some of the common instruments of money market. The first one is call money. The money borrowed or lent on demand for a short period, which is generally for 1 day, is called call money. It is the money loaned by a bank or other institution which is repayable on demand. Second instrument is treasury bills. Treasury bills are issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. These bills enable the government to get short term borrowings. These bills are negotiable instruments and are freely transferable. Here, negotiable instruments are the documents which promises the payment to the person holding the instrument. The third one is commercial bills. These are common instruments used in credit purchase and sales. These have short-term maturity period generally varying from 30 days, 60 days or 90 days and can be discounted with the bank. Commercial bill is an important tool for credit sales. The fourth one is commercial paper. The commercial paper was introduced for the first time in 1990. It is an unsecured promissory note issued by public or private sector companies with a fixed maturity period which varies from 15 days to 1 year. Now, let me tell you what is a promissory note. So, a promissory note is nothing but a written promise to pay a debt. Now, let us check the last one, that is certificate of deposits. A certificate of deposit is a product offered by banks that provides an interest rate premium in exchange for the customer agreeing to leave a lump sum amount of deposit untouched for a predetermined period of time. Now, let us understand another type of financial markets, that is capital market. So, a capital market is a market for medium and long term funds. A capital market is a financial market in which long term debt or equity backed securities are bought and sold. It includes all the organizations, institutions, and instruments that provide long term and medium term funds. The common instruments used in capital market are shares, debentures, bonds, mutual funds, public deposits, etc. There are some features of a capital market. Number 1, it is a link between savers and investment opportunities. Capital market is a crucial link between saving and investment process. The capital market transfers money from the savers to the borrowers. Number 2, it deals in long-term investment. Capital market provides funds for long and medium term investments. Third is it utilizes intermediaries. Capital market makes use of different intermediaries such as brokers, underwriters, etc. Intermediaries are nothing but the middlemen. Next is determinant of capital formation. The activities of capital market determines the rate of capital formation in an economy. And the last point is government rules and regulations. The capital market operates or works freely but under the guidance of government policies.